All right, I want to show you the property out at the Ross Barnett Reservoir. This is a 6-bedroom, 3-bath house. And I want to tell you a little bit about the history. We bought this 21 years ago, and it was a mess. You couldn't even see the water from the back of the house. It had been abandoned, and so we had to renovate the house completely. Of course, the roof and all the plumbing, all the wiring, all the sheetrock, everything in it was had to be taken out and replaced. We originally bought it as an in-town vacation home, beautiful setting, and found out that a lot of people wanted to rent it. So we were one of the first ones when Airbnb came about in the Jackson, Mississippi area. And so we have been renting it for over 15 years, and it's worked out just fine. Many people come for family reunions, or we have contractors that stay there sometime. Funerals, no real parties allowed, but it accommodates up to 14 people. And you can see, because we're going in the back door now, it's all new flooring in there. Very nice setting. And we have 2 tables to accommodate a total of 14 people eating. The kitchen got renovated a year or so ago, again, and with new granite countertops. So you have everything that you need there. We have all the coffee and the filters, and we have some spices there, all the plates and silverware. They're right there in the drawers. Washer and dryer if you need to use it. For our cleaners, we actually have another set of washer and dryers because it takes so long to clean the house when you're changing sheets for that many beds. All right, so there's the view. A lot of people sit in that great couch and just watch the water. Not many alligators come by, but some do on occasion. And so the bedroom by the front door, it's got a queen bed in there. A lot of light coming in. You can see that. Closet. And then downstairs, there's a bath and another master bedroom just right down the hall. We'll see the stairs a little bit later. All right, so we're going down the hall to the bathroom, and then onto the master bedroom. That is a really large bedroom with a great view, TV in it. We have TVs in every room. Back to the bathroom, so it's got a tub shower combination, and then the closet is a walk through there. It goes back to the bedroom. So we're upstairs now, and the landing, and you can see another big bedroom and hall bath right there, shower, tub combination, and then that room is the same size as the one below it. It's really huge, and it's got a walk-in closet there too. People like that room with the view both to the back, to the water, and onto the deck. We'll show you that in just a minute. So let's go down. And this is, we have a lot of children that come with their parents here, and they like the bunk beds. That goes out on the upstairs deck. We'll show you that in just a minute. Kids love to sleep there. Then we got a queen bedroom, bed size here. That looks off onto the upstairs deck too. You notice the TV. And then we got another bathroom here. So there's three full baths and 6 bedrooms, and this is, a lot of people like this room because it's off by itself. It's queen room and plenty quiet. So let me show you the upstairs deck, and people find themselves out there with a cup of coffee in the mornings, just enjoying the view. So there you have it, a Reservoir House, and thank you for watching this. Hope I gave you the information you need for a booking.